Welcome to A-Tech. In this video I will discuss that how to transcribe WhatsApp voice messages. So first of all go to WhatsApp, tap on Settings, and then tap on the Chats. Here in Chat Settings, you will find Voice Message Transcripts. Just toggle it on. It says read your voice messages with transcripts. Your personal voice messages remain end-to-end encrypted. No one outside of this chat, not even WhatsApp, can listen to them. Now tap on Choose Language. Here you can find a list of major languages. You can find your language and select it. Continue now. When you have received a voice note from anyone, all you need to do is just tap and hold on the voice note that you have received, and it will give you some options. At the top you will find this option called Transcribe. Just tap on it and you will find the transcript of that voice message. Unfortunately, WhatsApp has not given the option to copy or save the transcript. I think this feature is quite useful, especially if you're in a noisy environment or if you're in a public, where you cannot listen to a voice message. And if you're trying to enable this feature for the first time in the settings, and if you cannot find the option there, you need to update your WhatsApp to latest version to get this option. So in this way you can get the transcript of any voice message. If you like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.